Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ritika Mishra.
And this is Aman Maheshwari from Sadon Labs. We are excited to bring you the 16th update of Chords application. For those who are new here, let me quickly introduce you to Chords. It is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biopotential signal like EEG, EMG, ECG and EOG. So without further ado, let's get started.
Click on the eye icon at the top right corner of this video and get detailed insight of the new feature.
This week we have introduced FFT analysis and EEG band spectrum plotting to enhance real-time signal processing. These features allow you to visualize and analyze EEG frequency bands, providing deeper insights into the brain activity. Let's see the feature in action. Go to chords.upsidedownlabs.tech. Make sure to upload the Chords Arduino firmware as per the development board you are using. The link is in the description box below. Now click the EEG FFT button to proceed to the next step. You will see this interface. The top segment shows the filtered EEG with low pass filter of 45 Hz. The bottom segment consists of two graphs that shows data in real time. The left one shows the EEG frequency in Hz and the right one shows various EEG band power values. We have created a complete video on introduction to brainwaves, in which we discuss different type of brainwaves and their frequency range that you are visualizing here in Chords. The link to the video can be found in the top right corner. You can also download recorded channel data as CSV file for further analysis. Please note that you can only visualize or download channel 1 data for now. We will soon add the option to select your desired channel. Let's move on to another major update for this week. Chords Web is now available as progressive web app. You can install it directly on your laptop, which ensures quick access to the application without opening your browser.
That's all for this week's update. Be sure to explore our roadmap on Chords GitHub repo. The link will be in description box below. For more information, check out our complete documentation of Chords, which is also linked in description. Did you miss any updates? Catch up with our Chords updates playlist. We would love to hear your feedback. Share the feature that you would like to see in Chords. Exciting updates are coming, so stay tuned and see you in next video. Bye.